Presenting the Redmi 9 Prime. The phone comes in color options of matte black and mint green, space blue and sunrise flare. The phone has display of 16.58 cm, 6.53 inch, and 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution. 394 pixel density and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone also has FHD plus capacitive multi-touch touchscreen. It has 13MP quad rear camera and HDR. It has 8MP front camera. It has ultra-wide, portrait and AI scene recognition. It comes with 5020 mAh large lithium polymer battery. It has 4GB 64GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 512GB. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus dedicated SD card slot. It runs on Android V10 operating system. It is powered by 2.0 GHz MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM, infrared and email, accelerometer, GPS and ambient light sensor. The delivery box contains handset, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card, and user guide.